Hey guys, Jeff with Northwest RV Tours here. Today we're out in Tualatin, Oregon at RV Country, and we're looking at a brand new floor plan from Dutchmen, the Colorado 26BHCWE. Let's jump into it. Okay, this trailer is 30 foot 9 inches overall, so you can see it's metal sided. It's got two 30-pound propane tanks, an electric jack, and room for two dual batteries. Steel frame. It's also got a solar input on the very front. Large pass-through front storage. This is a 30 amp trailer. There's your hose on the other side, or your cord on the other side. It also has a factory charge controller. So you can see power jacks, stabilizers, 3-entrance step, nice large size power awning covering your door. Does have an exterior water fill as well as a 110 volt plug. Trailer King tires on steel wheels. You can see here in the rear a very large storage capacity. That's underneath the rear bunk bed. And rear stabilizers as well that are electric. This trailer is prepped for a backup camera. It also has the tankless hot water heater. Black tank flush, as well as your city water connection, and there's your dump valves. As you can see up above, I love that Dutchmen is doing this. They put a slide topper awning on from the factory. One less thing that you need to add. That helps protect your slide out, helps protect the seals, and you don't have to sweep it off as often. So you can see this is a really good looking rig. Okay, let's jump inside. Right when you walk in, you've got your kitchen to the left. There's your control board for your interior and exterior lights, as well as your water pump and your slide out controls. Nice seating area. TV would normally be here. It's just not in this unit right now. And a nice electric fireplace with shoe storage below. Storage inside the peninsula in the kitchen with a shelf up above and a large open cavernous space below. Decent sized counter space for prep, large single basin sink, and overhead cabinet storage. So you can see these are pretty deep and pretty tall. I would probably add a shelf or put a folding shelf in there so that you could have a little bit more space to organize things. Microwave, standard microwave, and a 3-burner cooktop. And just like we talk about, that front burner is going to be your hottest burner for boiling, and you'll do the majority of your cooking on that burner. Good size oven with a light. Pull out drawers with full extension drawer glides. Here's a deeper one that you could put stock pots and pans in. And the back side of that, plenty of room for a garbage can and even a recycle can inside this underneath the sink. Cleaning supplies, large things of water or whatever you may need. Nice large 12 volt compressor style fridge, large freezer, and a very large refrigerator to go with it. As you can see, there's also a produce tray down below. Really big pantry. The door covers 3 of these cabinets. That would also be a good spot for kids' clothing storage. Dual bunks. The bathroom in the rear. So you can see it's got a plastic toilet with a foot flush. Decent sized shower. There is no skylight above it, so if you're taller, you're going to be hunched over, which is okay. Nice storage space. Large bathroom sink. And a little bit of storage underneath your sink. There is no medicine cabinet in this trailer. You can see it's got a dinette. It's down, made up into a bed section now. Large windows, as well as a jackknife sofa with recliners. And I'll go and show you how to transition this over into a sofa, or excuse me, into a bed. So you can see, you just pull up on the center handle. It folds out into a bed for a small child. And it folds up just as easy. Once again, looking at this really nice fireplace and where the TV would be located. There's also your furnace and air conditioner controls. This does have a full residential size mattress, a 60 by 80 queen size bed, and hanging storage on both sides of the bed. There's no USB charger back here, but it does have 110 volt plugs. And as you can see, storage underneath the bed. Be pretty easy to add a gas strut so you didn't have to hold this up to be able to access things. As you can see, this is a really nice floor plan for families. For only being 30 foot 6 inches long, you get a lot of living space for what this is. Hope you guys enjoyed this tour. If you have any interest in looking at this unit, once again, it's in Tualatin, Oregon at RV Country. Let me know in the comments if there's another floor plan you'd like me to look at. We'll see you in the next one.